forget slow cooker is probably the best thing that'll ever happen to your kitchen. Slow cookers are among the most popular kitchen gadgets on the planet for a fairly obvious reason: they're awesome. These little miracle devices let you cook an entire meal with almost no effort, and there are thousands of great recipes out there made just for slow cookers. These devices are worth their weight in gold, but you don't need to pay thousands of dollars for a great slow cooker. The Hamilton Beach Set and Forget Programmable Slow Cooker is a fan favorite on Amazon, and it even has the coveted Amazon's Choice designation. Right now it's on sale for just $47, and we highly recommend picking one up. Here are the highlights from the product page: Hamilton Beach 6-quart Programmable Slow Cooker, 33969A, Set and Forget with Temperature Probe, S. $49 available from Amazon. BGR may receive a commission. Buy now. Available from Amazon. BGR may receive a commission. Follow @GreatDeals on Twitter to keep up with the latest and greatest deals we find around the web. BGR Deals content is independent of editorial and advertising, and BGR may receive a commission on purchases made through our posts.